Welcome to the breathing meditation. Let's begin by correcting our posture. So sit upright and gently rest the palms of your hands on your lap, facing upward. Have your feet firmly grounded, and if you're sitting cross-legged, feel that grounding between the base of your spine and the seat below. And as you inhale, open up your chest. And as you exhale, relax, drop your shoulders, sink into your seat. And with your spine upright, keep your head straight above your neck. And whenever you feel ready, gently close your eyes. And let's take a long, deep breath in through the nose. And very slowly out through the mouth. Slow and steady. Breathe in through the nose. And out through the mouth as slowly as you can. There is no rush. One last like that. Breathe in through the nose. And out very slowly, relaxing your body, relaxing your mind. Exhale. Just feel the weight of your body on the seat that you're sitting in. Allow your body to become heavy. Now, without forcing any particular rhythm on your breath, just bring your awareness to your breath. Simply notice it flowing through your body. Notice how your chest rises and falls. Notice that motion in your belly. And relax. Let your breath flow naturally. And see the expansion and contraction of your body as the breath moves in and out. Imagine you're inhaling the fresh energy as you breathe in. And as you exhale, you're exhaling all the stress in your body. Inhale the peace and exhale the stress. And as you continue to meditate using your breath, more and more stress will be released and you will feel lighter and lighter. Notice any parts of your body that are extra tense. Without any judgment, just notice, just witness. Now let's breathe in into those areas of your body. Breathe in lots of peace. And exhale the stress. Just guide it out through your breath. Let's do that on our own a couple of times. Guiding the breath and the peace into the tense areas. And exhaling the stress. And completely relax your body. Relax your eyes. Relax your eyebrows and the space between your eyebrows. Relax your face, any tension, any tense muscle on your face. Just ease it out. Relax your neck and shoulders. All the abdominal muscles, the back and the chest. The arms resting on your lap. And the legs resting on the ground. And all the thoughts, allow them to slow down. And let's simply align all the brain activity with the rhythm of our breath. Slow and calm. Simply keep your awareness in your breath and pay attention to your breath as if it were a captivating story. Noticing the path of the breath from the moment the air enters the nostrils, going down through the back of your throat into the lungs, and the heart doing its job of extracting that oxygen and passing it to all of your body parts through the nerves, and trace its path back from your lungs to the back of your throat, out through the nostrils. The rejuvenation and the purification happening through each and every breath without you even noticing. And so much magic is happening right here, right now, within your body. Just in the simple process of breathing on autopilot, little things that we take for granted. Let's just be grateful to our bodies. And notice now once again the pace of your breathing. Are your breaths quick or slow? Are they paced steady, or is the pace changing from breath to breath? And are you feeling completely comfortable in your breath, or is there discomfort of any kind? Without judging any of those feelings, we are simply observing. No need for any labels, any preferences. Just simply observe your state of being right now. And let's notice the pauses between our breaths. The pause between the inhalation and exhalation, and the pause between exhalation and inhalation. And for the next minute or so, we are simply going to be with our breath, simply noticing everything about your breath and the pauses between the breaths as well, on our own in silence. And it's okay if your attention wanders. That's what our minds do. Without beating yourself up for that, just notice that your mind did wander and bring it back into the breath. And now slowly start to return to your bodies, gently noticing your breath once again, wiggling your toes and fingers, gently swaying your body, make gentle neck movements. Just bring yourself back into your chair or your seat. And whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today in this breathing and relaxation meditation. Wishing you lots of peace and happiness.